this one?
What? Okay. Okay.
Oh! Hey!
Oh!
That's too far. That's too far. That's off limits. That's OD. Watch out.
Get your.
And there's two of them. Why y'all both on my side?
Don't unlock it!
Go on the other. They got them about to unlock.
They got a horn honk.
Are you Slender Man?
A horn honked. How creepy is that?
Wow. Dad, where are your fingers?
Whoa.
What?
Yeah.
What? Creepy. That was
Dang, she enjoyed herself.
so creepy. Here she is again. Happy
You got water?
Happy Halloween. Oh, water. I'm so confused. Whoa.
DeAndre.
I know, Dad's the worst. That is so
That man.
the worst. Even
That's
he
Hellraiser.
always tries
Is
to
that what
murder.
that is?
Yeah.
He always
That's
tries to
Hellraiser?
murder people.
We're locking it.
Look,
Because when he puts it in park,
just
it
just
unlocks
standing
it
there.
so you can
He's
get out.
standing right there.
The truth just standing right there at the car.
Okay, when they move, they're gonna see the creepiness, and they're walking by
It's
it.
like that pirate.
Oh no!
from
Watch out!
SpongeBob.
No! Wait.
These girls are just walking through. They're not doing nothing.
Wait, how
dang.
did they?
He ran. Oh no, he can't come up to now. His mask.
Oh look, there's that needle guy. The needle guy
The
had.
Michael Myers son over there.
Yeah, I hear it.
He's
Is that Pennywise? That's you see the
still
blue?
standing
You
there.
that said China was that like red?
She's little but scary.
Yeah.
Who is that? Nobody knows.
I keep feeling every time I turn my head, it's about to be somebody.
Hey, wait. I
Dang!
want. Who? Wow. Who?
As soon
Oh,
as I just said it.
he's Slender Man. Why do I keep saying? Why do I keep saying
Because
who?
it happened right when I was talking about it.
Why do I keep saying who?
I couldn't even get my
Also,
arm
Slender
up.
Man is
because
skilly.
every time
I
turn
don't
my
know
head-
why.
I said, woo!
Oh my goodness,
So don't
everybody's
try
noisy.
You scared cat.
Keep attacking your
I
neck.
wish I
His
censored.
neck is exposed.
I wish I censored the knife, but no worries. I can't.
Okay, Mir, you want a closer look?
The song is awesome.
Is it the little girl?
Yes.
She's here again. She wants to come in.
yeah.
How? There. Okay.
Is she gone? Wait, she's here.
She's here. She's still here. And with the lollipop.
Because she don't know the limit. She's about to get
Wow,
ran
that
over.
girl is so lucky that she's in.
I don't know.
They need to be
I'm
with
not
her.
either. Oh look, a cow thing. I mean, a clown thing.
Halloween is a good time to have a car wash. Shoot.
Yeah, but there's blood, and I don't want the viewers to see some blood. What? Who's that thing?
What's that? Okay.
Yeah,
You want the car?
that makes me think there's a real spider.
They don't take
And
cats?
don't
Cash your card.
ask who that is, because I'm literally trying to make this a happy Halloween.
You want to vacuum the car while
Is
we're
that real fire? If it's
You know,
not
if
real
we do
fire,
that, we
I
have
would
to get
touch
out the
it. But if
car.
it was real fire, I would not.
Oh, Tim's.
I wonder where we're going next.
He should be chunky.
Cute,
He
but
really should.
very.
He's small enough to
Oh,
be
he's
that.
running. Is that a real? Is that a real guy? Oh,
The real guy somewhere over there.
okay. He has a. I think he has a
I
rhino.
watched a YouTuber play this video game with this guy in it. This pig butcher right here.
He looks scary. Not scary that I'm not.
What is that?
Who is he?
Hey, she was way too calm.
Oh my gosh!
Who was that?
Windows.
Wait, who was that?
Are you on neutral now?
I'm kind of scared now. Let's go in.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
What's gonna happen?
The other
Oh,
one-
I like the other one.
What was that? Look, it's coming up here.
4 people. That's
Looking even my
awesome.
side.
scared of Halloween.
What is that noise? I don't know.
Or that's okay.
What's that? Oh, something's making that noise.
Stare and have a
Hey. on. Now it's dark again.
Is that the garage?
Someone's there.
That's at the garage.
The garage? That's a.
These lights, I really like these.
Oh, someone there's too. I can't see now. Can't see now. I can't.
Look, guys.
Oh look, there's someone here that I'm not gonna get scared to. Oh look, somebody's.
Wiping it off.
They're finally in front. Oh wait, yeah, they're just cleaning it. He's cleaning it with its claws. I saw that on Roblox too. Once I never played it. There's someone dark here. There's someone dark.
I'm gonna turn the flash on.
I'm turning it on.
No, that's the light. That's the flash.
Wait, that was it? Oh.
Now we gotta wipe the
That was a kind of good and
That was
Halloween.
really cool.
That was a good Halloween wash.
Yeah, that was worth it.
Yeah.
That
Well,
was funny.
I guess I'm gonna go now. Happy Halloween!
Tiana